Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Phones were initially designed to make and receive calls. Sadly, many times iPhone users get the call failed error when calling someone. You may wonder, why is my iPhone not allowing me to make calls? There can be several reasons for that. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix call failed issues on iPhone. Solution 1. Turn on and off airplane mode. Swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen or up from the bottom of the screen on models with home buttons to access the control center. Tap the airplane mode icon on the upper right corner of the control center. Wait a few seconds, then tap the airplane mode icon to turn it back off. Solution 2. Restart your iPhone. For that, go to Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Shutdown, drag the slide to power off slider to right side. Then wait for a few seconds and turn your device back on. Solution 3. Remove and reinsert SIM card. A damaged SIM card could be the reason for failed or dropped call on an iPhone. Check your SIM card for any damage or scratches, especially if you have been using it for a long time. Open the SIM tray using a paper clip or SIM eject tool. Take out the SIM card. Look for damage. If you find any, consider getting a new SIM card. If you don't find any damage, reinsert the SIM card and try to make the call again. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Resetting the network settings will reset your saved Wi-Fi connection, Bluetooth device, AP and VPN and cellular settings. Any personal data won't be deleted. To do that, go to Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, select Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 5. Update your iPhone. To update, open the Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, download and install it. Solution 6. Reset all settings. To do this, go to Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, select Reset all settings. Select Reset all settings to confirm this process. Solution 7. Check the blocked contact. Maybe someday you have intentionally or accidentally blocked a contact. To make sure that the number you are trying to call is not blocked, for this, open the Settings app, tap on Phone, scroll down and then tap on Blocked Contacts. If the person or number is added here, swipe right to left on it and tap on Unblock. Solution 8. See if call forwarding is turned on. Call forwarding may also cause interference, and thus if you are facing call failures, make sure you turn it off. For that, open the Settings app, find and tap on Phone, Next, tap on call forwarding. Wait for it to load. And if it is enabled, tap on the toggle to disable it. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.